Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use nested if else in Microsoft Excel using given criteria. Let us start. As you can see here, we have here a given criteria that if there is a 75 of percentage, give a points of about 5 for if it's greater or equal to 70%, it should be 4 points should be given. If it is greater or equal to 65, we have to give 3 points, and accordingly you can see here given criteria. Same we can use here. For example, the students have got these, someone have got 75%, 65%, 89%, and so on. Now we want to give points as per the given criteria accordingly. So it needs a nested if else command. So how to use it? Let us see. As we know, we have to use the nested if else command. We can use equal to, then if, then bracket start, and select the cell you want to select. I'm selecting here. Now I have to use the greater or equal to sign. If this cell is equal to 75%, then it is 5 points. Else use the if else command again. Select the same cell. If this cell, the same cell, is greater or equal to 70%, then it is, here you can see criteria, then it is 4 points. Give the 4 points here. Else, again if else command starts. Select the same cell. If this cell is greater or equal to 65, greater or equal to 65, then as per the given criteria give the 3 points. Else, again if else command. If the same cell is greater or equal to 60%, actually we forgot the right percentage sign here as well, then it is 2 points. Again all else if else command starts. If the same cell is greater or equal to 55%, then it's give the 1 point here, or else 0. If it is below than 55%, then we have to give the 0%. We have to close all the brackets we have started until it gives us the black bracket. See now it's black bracket, and enter. See, as per the given criteria, if it is 75 equal to or greater than, then it is 75. We can drag it here. Accordingly we will see whether our formula is working correctly or not. Yes, we can see If it is 65 or equal, it should be 3. If it is 75 greater than, 75 marks, 5 points. If it is 55 below, 0. If it is 55 or above, 1. You can see accordingly. You can use this formula for a number of things in your tables. I hope you like this video and you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.